Hey, what's up? I'm Lindy. Welcome back to my channel. If you've never seen me before, here's a quick rundown. I'm 22. I was a college student, but then Corona happened and I'm now back home and my senior year was cut short, so I guess I'm done with that now. But now I'm doing lifestyle, beauty, fashion, and a little bit of Instagram editing. That's kind of what I like to do. Who knows? We're just kind of gonna play by ear over here from here on out. Today I wanted to show you guys 3 different DIY sweatshirts, hoodies, / sweatsuits. One of my most popular videos as of lately has been a DIY sweatsuit. It's like bleach dyed. It also got over 1 million views on TikTok, so it was pretty popular over there. So since we're at home, unable to really do anything besides lay around in some loungewear, I wanted to DIY a few more pieces in a couple different ways and show you what I come up with. I have 3 different ones that I'm going to show you. First is a DIY iron-on letter hoodie. You can write whatever you want, of course. I end up writing Social Distancing Social Club. I got a Fruit of the Loom sweatshirt. Here it is, and I use glitter, silver glitter letters. You can use gold glitter or regular letters. They have white ones, different fonts, all types of stuff. I'll link all that down below as well. But yeah, just a giant hoodie. You could do this on a crew neck, but I did it on a hoodie. So the letters come on little plastic sheets, and then you cut out the letters, and I lined them up kind of where I wanted them to be, and then I peeled the letters off of the sheet. I was a little bit scared that the back of the letters would be sticky, so like I was scared that where I sat the letter down it would stick, but it didn't. You can sit it down and move it around, whatever. And then you're gonna go ahead and use an iron. The directions say that you need to put a cotton cloth on top to press down. I didn't have a cotton cloth, but you know what I did have was a cotton t-shirt, so I used that. And I put it on top of the letters, put the iron on it, direct heat. I did one line at a time, so that way I could really put direct heat on just a few letters at one time and not like overwhelm myself. And I used the cotton setting on my iron for 30 to 60 seconds. I ended up doing about 60 on each, and then slowly peeling the shirt back to reveal the letters. And then after you have all the letters on, you're gonna flip the sweatshirt inside out, put it back down over your ironing board or flat surface, and then take your iron and do direct heat again for 15 seconds to seal it in. Again, I probably did 30 seconds in all honesty. I don't really know how much that can affect it. I just really wanted to make sure everything was stuck down. And then I had a photo shoot and posted on Instagram. If you have a photo shoot and posted on Instagram, please tag me. My Instagram is @TheRealLynShady. Next up is gonna be a iron-on crew neck, like a collegiate kind of crew neck, but with a funny quote. Mine says, "Venmo me." Okay, so here we are on my 1993 ironing board. It's actually from 1997. Let me correct myself. Okay, so here's the sweatshirt. I'm a little bit nervous because it's not that I don't know if these came with instructions, it's that I threw everything away. So even if they did, it doesn't matter. I'm just gonna guess. Also, I'm a little bit nervous because these letters are so much thicker than the other ones that I used that I'm thinking I might need to end up stitching these a bit. We'll see though. Oh, they're cute. Okay, so I'm gonna line them up to say Venmo me. I don't have like a cotton cloth like they want me to use. Again, I'm not so sure about the directions here, but I'm just going to use my random t-shirt and be careful not to mess it up. Lay it over it and get to ironing. I have it on the cotton setting, of course. Oh, I just realized that this is a 60% cotton, 40% polyester sweatshirt. Hope it doesn't melt. That might explain the odd scent that I'm smelling currently. Let's go ahead and give it a look. It looks like they're stuck, but like kind of could lift, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the inside now. Flip it inside out, give it a little direct heat, which hopefully isn't a mistake. These actually feel pretty stuck. Okay, look, I'll be honest. I think this is pretty cute, huh? I really like how this sweatshirt fits in general. I've considered cropping it, but I think that if I want to wear it cropped, I'll just tuck it under my bra, do that old trick, and then I'll just have a little DIY crop if I want. Cute, right? I really like this one. I haven't washed either of these yet, so when I do wash them, I'm gonna wash them probably, if I had to guess, inside out, cool, really low, gentle wash. But if anything starts lifting on these, I'll just give them a few stitches. I wouldn't even be that mad because I kind of like made these straight and the end could use a little bit of tilt, but I didn't want to peel it off. I might mess it up, so I guess I have another end though. I don't know, there might be like leftover adhesive on the sweatshirt. I really don't know. This is the look, this is the sweatshirt. Okay, hey, so I'm here with the last DIY. Finally, all the pieces came in. Took me a few days to get everything in, but here we are. This is a white zip up, I think Fruit of the Loom or Hanes hoodie from Amazon, and I could not find white sweatpants on Amazon. I mean, I grinded so hard looking for them, but I ended up finding them on Nasty Gal. I'll insert here the whole sweat set, and I'll be honest, it's been really nice having it, like the whole white set, so I'm a little bit sad to tie-dye it, but I think I'm gonna like it. And also, I might just have to buy myself another white set because I like it a lot. I've done a bunch of different tie-dye projects and I really wanted to do this one lavender, but I didn't have purple. So what I did have is pink and blue. Well, this is actually fuchsia and blue. So we're gonna try mixing these together and making this kind of like a lavender tie-dye. These were from Walmart originally. I'll link Walmart's down below, and then also some on Amazon, but I just had these in my drawer because I have a craft drawer down here full of everything I could ever need, because I mean, I'm telling you, I love to craft. Anyway, so I'm thinking these are like little bottles with the dye powder already in it, and I think if I just mix it together, you know, that ought to make purple, right? I don't know, I'm really scared. And I'm literally just gonna do the exact same thing that I did for when I was bleach dyeing my sets. I'll link that video if you haven't seen it, but just like randomly grabbing it. Because again, I don't really want it to have like a specific pattern. I kind of want it to look like watercolor. I don't really have a lot of rubber bands. I left all my rubber bands in Oxford because I was not expecting to be home this long to have to tie down my own sweatpants. Okay, there they are. And then the jacket is gonna be a little bit weird since it's a zipper, so I'm gonna zip it up and then start scrunching. And I have exactly, oh wait, I only had 2 rubber bands left, but this kit came with rubber bands. One moment. Nice, how thoughtful of them. Oh, they're a little, they're a little tight, but okay. I'm just gonna do like each section. Like I just did an arm, here's an arm, the hood. I'm literally just wrapping the band around whatever I can get it onto, because they're pretty tight, like I said. There's literally a hair in this, so that's yummy. Okay, that's gonna have to be it because that's just not gonna happen. That's the look. So I was gonna tie-dye in my bathtub, but then I started Googling, will this stay in my bathtub? And then I got scared. So I'm gonna use this bucket, which we use for recyclables. I'm gonna go put this in the recycling bin, and then we will use this to tie-dye in so I don't get anything anywhere. I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna mix my 2 colors. So basically, I'm stupid. And I took the pink dye and poured it into the blue when I should have poured the blue into the pink, and now I'm afraid that this is just gonna be really dark blue. We're just gonna hope, because that's all we can do right now is hope. Can you pull this sleeve up? Thanks. And this one while we're at it.
Yep.
Y'all, I feel nauseated. I just left it white.
Oh.
Put smaller, less fabric. These are different materials, I think.
I wonder, it may take it different, huh? Are they both 100% cotton?
No, I don't think either of them are 100% cotton.
It does seem to be absorbing it differently in the pants. Huh. I think it might turn out good. I mean, it might be a happy accident. I like blue.
Well, y'all see how they're completely different? It's a little bit nerve-wracking. Okay, so I'm rinsing it like, it's been probably 3 hours, even though it said way longer than that. But I'm just afraid it's gonna be freaking navy blue, and I don't want it to be navy blue, so what's the worst that can happen by rinsing it now? It'd be light? Good.
I know you didn't want that color, but I honestly like that. So again, if you have to try again, I can inherit that one. It's cute.
So this is a failure. I hate it. It's completely white. The back's done. I will be ordering another set, and I will be ordering the Rit dye, and I will be making it a pastel tie-dye completely. So to make a long story short, buy the $150 sets. I literally hate this. It is not what I wanted it to look like. It's like dark blue tie-dye because I'm stupid, and the pants weren't cotton, so I should have known they weren't going to take the dye. And the pants look like this. They're just white pretty much. They have a little bit of a blue tint, but there's nothing. This was a flop. If you learned anything from this, it's that maybe we should just buy the nice sets that nice brands make. Yes, they're expensive, but it's because they actually look good. So that's really disappointing. And then to make matters worse, I just did my nails and I'm absolutely nauseated by them. So I'll go ahead and link this sweatshirt down below. I'm not gonna link the pants. I'll link the pants. they didn't dye. I don't know, they're from Nasty Gal. They're not good. Don't tie-dye these. If you're gonna tie-dye, you need it to be 100% cotton. I like can't find 100% cotton white pants, so I guess it just isn't in the cards for me. Also, the red shirt isn't helping. Anyway, I hope you do try one of these out. I will be ordering another white set, hopefully cotton this time, because what the freak else am I supposed to do, you know? There's literally nothing else to do, so. I'll be making a whole video for that one. Hopefully I redeem myself.